Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. So I made a video yesterday about tracing something, and somebody suggested if somehow you could right click and have the freehand tool or the 3-point curve line, and then left click and have the 2-point line. You can't do that because the clicks don't do anything unless you're on something. So, but we can create hotkeys for those two things that might help you in instead of having to go up here, which isn't that big a deal, but we'll make one and go to Tools, Options, Customization. And we're going to type in 2, which is well, see, there's so many different ones. The best thing to do is go over to the 2-point line and it'll find which one it is. And then go up to shortcut keys. And we're going to make it, since it's a 2-point line, or you know what, since it's a straight line, let's go SS. Well, that's a star. So let's go 2, 2 and assign it. Say okay. Then let's go to Tools, Customization, and go to the freehand tool, and there it is right there. And see, it's actually F5, but let's make a new, let's delete that and make a new one for the curve line, and we're going to go CC. It's not assigned to anything, and go CC. So now let's start drawing with the freehand tool, and then let's go 2, 2, and we get on the node and go 2, 2, and you've got a straight line. I didn't get it connected, but see, you've got that. Now I'm going to go, I can't remember what we named it, CC, and now you have the freehand tool back. Not that big a deal, but it would save you from going back and forth. If I was going to do it, I would actually make one for the 3-point curve line, so let's do that, because that's what I use the most. Let's go to Tools, Options, Customization. And a lot of times, if you can't find it, just go over to the menu item or the toolbar item and go 3-point curve line, and there it is right there. And we're going to assign it a shortcut, and we're going to go 3, 3 for 3-point curve line, and then say okay. So now, if we just hit 3, 3, we got the 3-point curve line. If we go 2, 2, we've got the straight line. If we go CC, we now have the freehand tool. So it does, once you got those keystrokes memorized, and they're right here, they've saved them. So there's the CC, the 2, 2, and the 3, 3. It would be neat to just make them one tool, but I can see the advantage if we go 2, 2, and I want a line, and then I'm going to go 3, 3, and I get the 3-point curve line, and now I can curve that line. And then if I want to go CC and go to the freehand tool. Might be some benefit in there. So I thank that viewer or subscriber for kind of sparking that interest. I just wish it would be neat if you could do what he suggested with the clicking the mouse, but if you're not on anything, the clicking of the mouse isn't going to work. Anyway, a little fun. Thank you for watching.